Hello, welcome to Stock Review. This is a pre-market, not an update, pre-market drill down. Before we even get started, um, Annual Capital is having earnings today, and that was one of the main reasons why I moved into that. Um, but let's besides earnings and all that stuff, let's get to the real. Um, I showed you the positions yesterday. Like I said, I developed a strategy. I think it was Sunday actually. I sort of came up with it Sunday. I implemented it early Monday, and Tuesday we liquidated VIXM, which was midterm volatility, because I think we're going directly into short term today. I don't think I know. Um, and you have to go back to the previous video to figure out what was the other position I liquidated. It was profitable. Let's put it that way. Go back to the previous video, take a look. Um, Bottom line, if you want to be 2 steps ahead of the market, not 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, because no one can predict what three out of 4 steps ahead of the stock market. That's quantum computer kind of stuff. You know, and they can't even get it right at Merrill Lynch and the big investment firms. So with a computer, a desktop, a pad, a cell phone, how are you supposed to do it? Let's just keep it simple. 1 or 2 steps ahead of the market. These are the positions that I have left. Pre-market XOF financial sector. Pre-market is up 1.08 hundredths, but it was down 3.23 hundredths. Through further analysis, through the as we go through the video and go through the steps and go through the process of analyzing what today's market is going to be like, we'll find out if that's going to be in the black today or tomorrow, or if it gets liquidated within that time frame. You got Canaan Inc. CAN, which pre-market it is in the black. It's up. It was up 2.40 yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. That could be pre-market as well. And it is sitting in a sea of green, upwards velocity. Annually Capital, as I said, they had earnings today. They were up 5.50%. Pre-market 1.95 hundredths. And we have UDN, which is the US dollar bearish, which is 0.28 hundredths. Pre-market, it is, let me get a good view here. Looks like it's negative 0.05 hundredths. That's indicating a flip. I might pull up a chart and show you a few things. But aside from that, let's go look at the global right now. From our past market analysis, daily market analysis, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Nifty, S&P, BSE, British markets, the FTSE 100 and the FTSE 250 are up. What does that tell you? It tells you that US markets are up and we're sitting perfect right now. Let's go into the Forex and let's take a good look. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7. So we got 9 currencies gaining against the dollar. And we have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 9 losing momentum against the dollar. The issue is this: the currencies gaining against the dollar are the right ones. This is why I'm in bearish dollar right now. I think I'm in a perfect position. Euro USD, they're going to be buying a lot of bonds today to support the market. And Great Britain USD, or the British pound, it's going to be truly, epic. It's going to be a big comeback today. The USD Japanese yen, remember, Japanese markets open after US markets. They're waiting for this liquidity to reach them. So as far as our bearish US dollar play, we're going to see a lot of gains today. I'm hoping at least in the 4%, 3%. That's what I was shooting for when I came up with this strategy. Depends on where we want to be in life. Back to United States markets. Let's go back to the watch list. I want to take you to the bond market real quick. The subprime bond market is charged and ready to go off. Yeah, high yield sort of down in pre-market. Oh no, high yield HYG up. TLT, S&P 20-year sort of down in pre-market. 0.4800. It's not a big deal. We hold XLF once it's up 1.08. XLF may suffer because of the subprime. The Fed may favor subprime over prime right now, but we can always get rid of it. I don't plan to. I plan on riding it until it brings me profit. How much, I don't care, because I'm going to be working on a new watch list, which we're going to go to right now. Oil storage. The only reason why MRO is there is because they have, the word is not projected, or they are. The word is they're going to receive big stimulus money. This is the play with any oil storage company. Right now, they're at their peak. Should I buy now and hope that it goes higher? Wait and buy later after it goes higher and comes back down and then goes back up again? For obvious reasons, the stock market is getting ventilation. It's getting hyperinflated, de-inflated. Every time liquidity is pulled out of the market and it goes somewhere else around the world, or it goes into the bond market every time some kind of news story comes up, or basically that's it. So I'll be watching for any kind of super maximum gains on this. The day's range is 26. Yeah, I mean, basically it says buy. Yep, I figured that much, but you don't want to follow this exactly. You can go to the financials profile, blah 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 blah. Stores oil. Comments. Bullish on that. News. I'm looking for 52-week high right now. See, these apps when they first come out, they're basic, and then they start getting advanced, and you can't find stuff. Let's reduce the chart and go look for ourselves. 26, 26. All right, fine enough. I'll get back with you on the Pacifics of it. I cannot find that 52-week rating. Estimated cost distribution, average cost, closing price. Most line support line, resistance line is at 25, 26. We'll just run with that right now. So resistance is 25, 26. Right now we're looking at 24.50. Let me go ahead and do this for you. Okay, support is at 20.25, which should be the low from yesterday. Previous close 24, previous open. That matters not. Support is supposed to be at, yeah. $25.11 is support. This is gonna go higher. I'm buying. I think maybe the same story for this guy here. Yeah, not the exact same story. Support is at 8.75. It's at 8.46. Resistance sitting about 8.75. Let's see what we're talking about here. Let's let the boss man tell us what, and that's another buy right here. It's gonna go higher. So that's my plan. Take whatever liquidity that's not working for me today, dump it, roll it to the new watch list, see what happens. Oh yes, we dumped GVA yesterday, and it's still going higher. I don't really care when we're talking about. We're not looking for stocks that are just going to rise and fall with the market. What we're really trying to find is something that's going to have sustained earnings over a long period of time, so we don't have to watch it so much. We go on with all our lives. That's increasingly becoming hard with all this up and down. So I'm going to leave you there. You have the watch list. You know what's going on. Happy trading. That's all I can tell you.